Welcome back to the Fishionista Show, making easy seafood recipes and answering the #1 question, how do you cook seafood? Well, today it doesn't get any easier than cooking this amazing Riverence trout.
Riverence trout is born and raised right here in North America, in crystal clear Rocky Mountain springwater from Idaho's Magic Valley. Riverence is the first farm in North America to be ASC certified. Their trout is fed a high-quality, nutritious diet on their land-based farms. No growth hormones and no preventative antibiotics. Riverence fish get all the water they need without any added energy use. Their Idaho farms are supplied with free-flowing spring water. No pumps, just gravity.
It's all going to come together so fast, and we're going to do it in the air fryer. While that's cooking, I'm going to pan-sear some tomatoes, garlic. I can smell that basil. If you haven't tried trout before, put it on your seafood bucket list. It is lean, it's mild tasting, it's super affordable. It's the cousin of Arctic char, and it is the go-to swap out for salmon. You can only smell this. Trout is ready. Check it out. We are gonna plate this up in no time. Are you ready for the pour over? This is gonna be so good. Riverence trout with tomato, basil, lemon, garlic. Here we go. Gorgeous. Check that out. A little bit more basil. And that dish looks We're already at the end of the show. Magically, more trout ended up in the pan. This is all going for the crew. Guys, look at this beautiful Riverence rainbow trout that happened in under 10 minutes. Don't forget to check back to the Fishionista Show for easy seafood recipes. And guess what? Always remember, you don't need confidence to cook seafood because cooking seafood gives you confidence. Bye-bye for now.